What?
Isn't that tripod?
Yeah.
You know what I'm doing?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Yes.
Is it used in a game? Some people think it. Whoa, that's creepy. Ah, my hand. Ah. Oh.
So I have really bad hiccups, and they're like, I sound like a chicken.
Is it used in a game?
Just wait, and they'll get worse.
It's quite entertaining, actually. I'm sitting here, and that happens. It's very weird. It's entertaining, though. To sit here playing 20 questions, listen to that. It's the best day ever, totally. And I'm actually looking at myself, not the camera. Hi, camera.
They're so bad.
Let's see. Next question. Is it used in a game?
This is hurting my head.
Many things hurt your head, including thinking.
Shut up.
Make me.
So we're gonna try and get rid of the hiccups.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Let's see if it works. Not exactly sure if it will work. Hiccups smell? Are you trying to get rid of the smell? You're like, oh wow, that smells. Wow, that really smells. Oh wow, that one smelled like.
Okay.
Hiccups tasted like chicken.
Ow, I'm starting to get a headache from it. Let's see.
You've seen one in real life. Unknown. That was hot. Wow. Wow. This is fun.
It's not